Today we will learn how to use switch function in Excel. Here we have month codes like 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March and so on. Now here we want the month name by month code. So first type equal sign and then switch function the left bracket, and for expression we will select the cell that contain month code. Now for value 1 we will type 1 and for result 1 we will type month name January. Type same for other months. After inserting the data for all months, close bracket and press enter. Now here you can see that the month name was shown.